if you just hear the sape alone, it can sound a bit eerie sometimes, like a bit haunting, but very nice. And especially if it's accompanied by someone singing, someone like some elderly folk in the village. They sing alone as well is very eerie because their voice is very different from pop stars or what have you not. I don't know, it kind of gives me goosebumps sometimes, but it's really nice. So.